Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here on Croft field number 1 for qualification match number 95. With both teams going at it, we have one team from each alliance launching from that far launch zone. While on the blue and red side, each team is doing the same from the near. That being Team 19652, who is also picking up from those spike marks and cycling through, and Team 14906.
Pick up your controllers.
As we are about to enter the driver controlled period, it is about a 10-point game. This means
2,
anyone could take
1.
the win, and things can change very quickly. As the Blue Alliance decides to empty their gate, joined by the Red Alliance, we are so close. There is such high competition going on as these teams are off. Team 9879 is going and trying to play some defense against their opponent in the far launch zone for red, as they are alternating who is launching and trying to get that clearance. Seems the Blue Alliance is going a little bit faster in this case, though, with the Red Alliance having a slightly longer cycle time overall. Team 14906 for the Red Alliance is picking up both from the ramp and from their secret tunnel on the blue side. This means that there is a blue foul for that secret tunnel blockage as we enter the final minute of gameplay. With several penalties on the field, we are descending into a very close game with blue in a minor lead. Though the Red Alliance is doing their part to get back at it, with both teams launching from their respective launch zones near and far to try and narrow that lead as much as possible, as quickly as possible, as we enter the final 30 seconds of match play. The Blue Alliance has elected to empty their ramp once again, though it does appear that Team 13474 is struggling with their aim as we enter endgame. Now that we're in endgame, these teams are going to try their best to fill those ramps as much as possible to maximize those points, with the Blue Alliance strategy seeming to be cycling those artifacts, while the Red Alliance maximizing those artifacts, even scoring overflow as we come.
Winner for that match is Blue Alliance with a score of 377 points. And now 96 match score.